Once again, welcome to On Track Media. In today's video, we are diving into an important topic that affects all students and creators: plagiarism. Whether you are working on a research paper or a creative project, even coding, plagiarism is the act of using someone else's words or work without giving them credit. In simple details, that is the definition of plagiarism. Yes. So before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell icon such that every video I post you'll be able to receive it. Yes, and in this video we are going to explore more in that every detail we are going to dive into. It is very important to master. Yes, plagiarism, it can happen directly by copying the text, paraphrasing without citation, or even reusing your own work without permission. For instance, you may have a work for a certain level and then you reuse it again for another level, without permission from the different lecturers or the different teachers that we are teaching you. Yes. So in today's video, we are going to explore the types and how we can avoid it in our day-to-day life. Yes, join me after the break and we dive into that. Yes, in our introduction, we talked about what plagiarism is. Yes, and now we are going to see what are the different types of plagiarism. Yes, how can you do plagiarism? Yes, the first one is direct plagiarism. And how can we do this? By copying word for word without citation. Yes, you may copy every word you find in an article which was written by someone else, and maybe you put it in your own work. Yes, so and you copy, when you copy those exact words and then you without citing them, you are doing what you call direct plagiarism. Another type of plagiarism is self-plagiarism. And how can we do this? Reusing one's own past work without permission. You may have your work in maybe a lower level or maybe another level, and you use it in another level. Yes, without requesting permission from the different lecturers or teachers. We have another type of plagiarism that is called mosaic plagiarism. By being mosaic is like borrowing phrases or structure without proper citation. You may borrow a phrase from a certain book or maybe a certain article or a journal, and then you don't cite it well. Yes, and by doing that, we are doing what we call mosaic plagiarism. Another type of plagiarism we are having is accidental plagiarism. By stating accident, meaning that you did it accidentally. Yes, so what does it mean? Failing to cite sources correctly due to misquoting or proper phrasing. Yes, when you fail to cite these sources correctly by misquoting or proper phrasing, you fail to cite them by it means you are you are failing to cite correctly the names of the different authors, or maybe you may do a mistake in their citation, and maybe it forms what you call accidental plagiarism. Yes, so how can we avoid plagiarism? We can avoid plagiarism by planning ahead to avoid rushing and missing citations. Yes, you plan ahead, use different websites, you use different sources, and then you plan ahead, and you also avoid rushing and missing citations actually. Yes, understanding the material. Don't use sources you don't fully understand. Yes. Citation errors. Be careful with citing formats and be consistent. And also we have what you call poor note taking. Organize notes properly and make direct quotes. Yes. Thank you for tuning in this channel. Many videos are coming about plagiarism. So far, that's what you can study today. Yeah, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit the notification button. I'm bringing many videos on this channel in every source, in every discipline. Yes, see you in the next video.